At Montpellier SupAgro, we feel very concerned about the future careers of all our degree holders from bachelor level to PhD. Following up on their careers is usually done thanks to online surveys, which allows us to compare results from year to year. Our surveys give us valuable information which helps guide the evolution of our courses. Thanks to these surveys, firstly, we found out about most of our degree holders' current situation, as the annual response rate often exceeds the 85%. Secondly, we can produce statistics on the professional situation of our degree holders. Thirdly, we can update the panorama of career opportunities, the sectors, positions, missions, and so on, which is very useful to current students. Fourthly, we become aware of the level of satisfaction of our former students regarding their employment and the pertinence of our courses to prepare them for their employment. At the end, we can stay in touch with them using up-to-date contact details, which means we can ask them to participate in teaching, the career forum, or other events in connection with our courses. For example, each year, the 3 most recent cohorts of master degree holders are interviewed using a questionnaire aimed at graduates from all French engineering grandes écoles. These surveys are mandatory and the answers must be sent off to 2 national organizations, the Conférence des Grandes Écoles and our supervising ministry. Thanks to this general survey, we get a clear idea of the professional situation of degree holders from a same cohort. From the results, we identify indicators that allow to make comparisons from year to year and to calculate the main parameters of professional success: access to first employment, types of employers, status, working conditions, salary, and so on. For example, in a survey carried out early in 2015, we see that more than 2/3 of the degree holders who left our school in 2013 were engaged in their first job after 2 months, and 75% are satisfied or very satisfied with the position they hold on 1 year after the end of their studies. Each cohort is questioned 3 times after obtaining the diploma, after 3 months, 12 months, and 24 months. The 3rd month survey gives us information about their first employment. The 24 months one provides detail about a more steady position corresponding to the degree holder's professional project. In addition to these regular surveys, there are specific surveys that meet a particular need. This is the case of career trajectory surveys, which are conceived with the objective of finding out about the evolution of the degree holder's career, the personal choices of trajectory over 5 or more years, which led to their present position, and listing the various job titles and responsibilities taken on. I am currently working on the development of customized surveys, specific to each course. These surveys are tailored to meet the requirements of the educational teams in each course, or specialized curriculum in the case of the French engineering courses. The surveys are conducted on several cohorts who were enrolled in the same course. It is necessary to obtain a significant number of answers, at least 80, to have more reliable results than if courses with only 12 students enrolled is used. The questionnaire must be written with the educational teams so that the answers will provide the food for thought that the professors want to find to plan the evolution of their courses. The customized surveys are more accurate than general surveys since they target a pre-selected number of sectors and career profiles. These tailor-made surveys are more qualitative than quantitative, so they are vital for improving the adaptation of the course content to fit the needs of the professional world as needs evolve, and also understanding how career prospects are evolving within specific sectors of activity related to specific courses. At the end, for maintaining the network of former students, allowing for involvement in courses and links with current students. In order to meet these objectives, the educational teams must be involved at every stage, from the drafting of the questionnaire to the analysis of the answers. Montpellier SupAgro is able to provide reliable information to students on the careers which will be available to them at the end of their studies, thanks to all these surveys. As for the annual results, a synthesis is presented to the students during their professional project teaching sequence. A report of annual results is published online each year on the Montpellier SupAgro's website to inform future students and also professional partners.